Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. So this is round 3, 4, 5, I don't even know anymore. We're gonna try to break the collars on the coilovers if you saw my last video. So we're going to get that done. And how we're going to get that done is I picked up a butane torch. So I have a feeling this is really gonna help. I also picked up a big ass wrench. Yes, it's probably gotta chew up the collars a little bit more, but I'm determined and I want to get it undone. My logic behind it is this is my last attempt. If I can't get it undone, I'm just gonna buy new coilovers. I mean, it seems like that's the easiest route to go as opposed to stressing about it. I can sell these off to somebody that's interested in, keeping this ride height that I have. It doesn't really matter about, the collar. I'm sure you can get it off a different way. You can replace those rings. You can just cut them off and then put new ones on. It'll be good as new. But I really want to try to get them off. But it's a pretty busy night in the garage for me. So we're going to try to work on the coil over here. And I also got a few boxes over here. This is the carbon fiber lip kit that I got. So far, I got the front lip and the side skirts. I'm rating on the rear spats as well as the diffuser. Can't wait to get a lip kit back on this car. The car looks ridiculous without one. I can't stand looking at it without it. So let's get cracking. We got a lot of work to do. Let's start on the coilovers first. Oh yeah. So we got some carbon fibre, and we got the side skirts as well as the front lip. These are just from eBay, nothing crazy. I was gonna go with APR, but it was about $2,000 just for the lip kit. And I wasn't crazy about the APR sides and rear spats. The APR sides have a little winglet, and the rears, I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of the APR sides. The front lip I like a lot, which is really nice, but that's the only part of the kit that I really did like. I'm a really big fan of the CS style, which is the charge speed style. So that is exactly what this is. It's the exact same style as my old kit, just in carbon fiber. I got this from eBay. It was about, I think it was like $650 just for these two. And then the rear spats and the diffuser were another $300, $350 or so. It was about $1,100 for the whole kit. Quality is pretty good. They're a little dusty and everything, but they look really nice, nothing crazy. I'm gonna throw these on the car. I'm not having much luck with that, so most likely I'm going to end up getting new coils, which I don't want to do, but sometimes call for desperate measures, and I feel like I'm at that point where I'm over it and I just want to lower the car and not deal with these anymore. So most likely gonna sell these if anybody wants them. I have them up for grabs right now on my Instagram. Most likely by the time this video comes out, they'll be sold, but in the case that it's not, hit me up and you can have them. But we're going to install this tonight just to get this knocked out. Like, the other parts are coming later this week, but I really just want to get this on the car and see how it looks and everything. Plus after this, I kind of want to have something to be happy about. So we're gonna knock these out and put them on real quick. right, we got the carbon fiber lip kit on, at least the front lip and the side skirts. Waiting on the rear spats on the diffuser. Definitely looks way cleaner. Kind of flows with all the other carbon on the car. You know, the thing about carbon pieces is that they don't have as much flex as, a poly lip. So, you can't manipulate it as much, but it still fit really well. Happy with the overall fitment. It took me a little bit longer than the poly kit would have taken or has taken, simply just because you can't manipulate it. There's only one way it really can go. So it's just a matter of finding the best fitment and what works best. Overall, fitment is really good and it looks nice. The weave isn't as nice as the hood or anything, but it's definitely worth it. I think it's a good look without spending, $2,000 on APR or charge speed or anything like that. I think this is a good alternative if you're not, crazy about putting carbon fiber on the bottom of the car. I mentioned this before in other videos. Putting carbon on the bottom of a car always scares me. If I break this one, I'm going to be a little bit more upset than I would be if I broke the Base and R one. but I think the looks overtake everything. Everything flows really nicely with the hood, the grille, the lip, the sides. I got the mirrors and everything. And the back, we got the roof spoiler and the gurney flap. Yeah, a little trunk garnish back there. And then I'm going to have the diffuser, spats, and I also have the exhaust finishers, which are kind of hard to see. But like I said, I'm eventually going to end up painting the hood, leaving some of the carbon exposed, so it's not going to be so in your face. But overall, I really like where this is going. It's a completely different phase of this car compared to where it was, about a year ago or even a couple months ago. It's pretty crazy. But overall, it's looking super aggressive. I'm really liking where it's going. I mean, the lip, it's the same style lip, but I honestly think this is a little bit more aggressive than the other one. I think it sticks out a little bit more. I don't know if it's just because it's carbon and it stands out a little bit more on the ground as opposed to the black where it, kind of blends in a little bit more. But either way, I think it looks a little bit more aggressive. It actually looks a little bit lower, which is nice because obviously we all know that I was trying to get the front end a little bit lower. So you kind of see there's a little gap. I mean, not much, but I wanted to get it to match the rear here. The rear is super low. I could hardly get my finger in there. It's a really tight one finger. I could hardly get it in there. The front is a little bit more easier, I guess. That's just the wheel arch. It's not necessarily, the difference in height. But it still looks good. I don't know if I'm going to bother with it right now. I think I've reached my quota for trying to get these coilovers lower. We'll see if somebody wants to pick these up. And then if that happens, then I will pick up a new set. But I'm going to put it on the back burner for now. I'm not going to stress about it too much because I think it looks really good. I decided I'm just going to ceramic coat it on the car. I think it's going to be way easier than, fumbling parts around and everything. Plus, I just wanted to get it on the car, and then, it's just gonna be sitting in the garage for now, so I'm not too worried about it. But I don't know if I'm gonna do a full video on it. Probably just throw that clip into another video, doing something else in the garage, that I'm getting that done, ceramic coating it, because I've done enough ceramic coating videos. I think you guys know how to do it. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. So looking forward to getting the other pieces. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for this one. I'm beat. I'm done with the coils. I'm over it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I'll have all the links below for the lip kit if you guys are interested. Just click the links. It'll bring you right to it, and you could just buy it right from there. It's really nice. It came in about 4 days. But in the meantime, guys, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I'll catch you in the next one.